Evening, everyone. Thanks so much for staying with us. I'm Trishna Began.
And I'm Casey Cansey. Independent Redistricting Commission meeting today, just weeks after the state's highest court ruled the commission must redraw New York's congressional lines.
The ruling was a major victory for Democrats as the party tries to win control of the U.S. House next year. Republicans are expected to challenge the results in court as they try to retain their slim House majority. News 10's Jamie DeLine has that story tonight.
New York's Independent Redistricting Commission held a short meeting in Albany to discuss rehiring staff. Afterwards, Commissioners Ken Jenkins and Charles Nesbitt shared an update on the task ahead, coming up with a congressional map by the end of February.
We're going to fulfill with the outlines of what's in the state constitution and present as pursuant to court order by February 28th, no later than February 28th is the exact language in there, no later than February 28th, to the state legislature, a set of congressional lines.
It's unclear whether the IRC will create a totally new map or base it off the map that was court ordered to be drawn by a special master in 2022.
We need to discuss that.
Exactly. We haven't gotten to that particular point yet.
Jenkins says the IRC has all the public input and information needed to move forward. Both he and Nesbitt spoke to the importance of working together.
In order for the commission idea to succeed, we have to do the work that's demanded of us. So this is the particular makeup of the group is important. And the fact that this group is dedicated to the process is a real and substantive thing.
Jeff Weiss, adjunct professor at New York Law School, agrees.
So the question really is, where is there common ground? Where can this process move forward and end quickly so that we can have a new map in place for orderly 2024 elections?
The commissioners tell me they will begin their work next week in the new year. Ultimately, the congressional lines could have an impact on which party controls the U.S. House of Representatives. Reporting in Albany, I'm Jamie DeLine.
Thank you so much, Jamie. Governor Kathy Hochul